Hello, I'm Richard Hooper and this is SatTV Week. Now I'm pleased to be joined by Esen Bayar of ETL Systems. Esen, thank you for joining me. We've spoken before, but today we're standing by the Atlantic Microwave stand. Now, ETL Systems have taken those over, haven't they?
Yes, we have successfully taken over Atlantic in January, and that has been a great experience for us. We have acquired a good and dynamic team of engineers and support staff, and what is more, and more importantly, I guess, is the business, a profitable business and synergic and complementary to our systems and component business that we have at ETL.
Now, Atlantic Microwave do some interesting products. Now, can you expand on those?
Well, Atlantic Microwave manufactures quite a good range of products which complements those of ours. But among these products, there are special products which are of special interest to us, and these are satellite simulators, test loop translators, and number of test equipment type, instrumentation type equipment such as noise generators, signal generators, and a range of products which we do not have within our catalog of products that we have at ETL. So bringing these along from a well-established manufacturer like Atlantic is great advantage. Atlantic has been around since 1979. They are serving the same industry as we are. There are a number of customers that we do know and we do service that Atlantic service as well. Therefore, Atlantic is a very friendly and a supplier that is already serving the industry that we very well know. Therefore, they provide a very, very good complementary and synergic range of products to the catalog of products that we have.
Now, going forward, taking over a company is always a challenge. But what do you see as the challenges in the market at the moment?
Challenges in market is the changes that we have in the industry. The range of products, for example, a little earlier I have said that Atlantic offers synergic products. I mentioned satellite simulators. Satellite simulators mounted on drones are a new trend, new product range. It serves the industry over a broad spectrum of applications. This includes characterization of antennas, includes simulation of spaceborne payloads. It enables tests and facilitates lots of additional equipment-based or instrumentation-based test and measurement activities which would otherwise be a lot more expensive and more challenging. Coming back to your question, which is the challenges in acquiring a company like Atlantic, it's the range of challenges are very different from the if we were to go and acquire a company that is not in the same sector and in the same industry as we have. In view of the fact that we have acquired a company which is serving the same industry, which was also our supplier, the challenges are mitigated quite a lot. Nevertheless, integrating two companies remains a challenge. We need to put our IT system, we need to go through our logistics, we need to put all these things in place. But this is an interactive activity. We are learning from that, and we are maintaining the same sector as we are serving. Therefore, the challenges are not that great in the sense that they are not going to detract our progression. Atlantic has been successful in terms of growing. They have got a small but very valuable number of R&D projects, and some of these R&D programs are not the type of R&D work we would take. So a challenge there is to understand these type of ventures and make sure that we make sure that they stay on track and they're as successful as they're planned to be. So one of those challenges is the productionization of the satellite simulator. and enhancing performance of test loop translators. These are product challenges. On the other hand, there are other challenges like people. People are always look and wait and see how it's going to be. We have acquired, luckily, very good and dynamic team of dedicated staff. Integration has been very easy, and we are learning from Atlantic as well as teaching Atlantic few tricks of the business. We're now forming a very dynamic and proactive sales and marketing team. The engineers are learning latest CAD-based technologies, and they're becoming more expert in their fields. We are learning some of the products that we didn't know ourselves from Atlantic, and Atlantic, who used to be our supplier, became our friends, and this is very good for us.
Well, exciting times ahead. Thank you for talking to me today.
Thank you, Richard. That was good.